Understanding Proof of Stake, PoS. A comprehensive overview. Proof of Stake, PoS, has emerged as a pivotal consensus mechanism in the realm of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Designed as an alternative to the original proof of work, PoW, method, PoS offers a more efficient and environmentally friendly means of validating transactions and creating new blocks within a blockchain. In this article, we will delve deeper into the workings of PoS, its advantages over PoW, and the significant issues it aims to address in the cryptocurrency landscape. What is Proof of Stake? Proof of Stake is a consensus mechanism used in blockchain networks to validate and verify transactions without the intensive energy consumption and computational demands associated with PoW. In a PoS system, validators are chosen to create new blocks based on the number of coins they have staked, which they effectively use as collateral. Key features of Proof of Stake. Validator selection. Validators are randomly selected to confirm transactions based on the size of their staked assets. The higher the stake, the greater the chance of being selected. Staking. Individuals must lock their coins in a staking process to participate as validators. For instance, to become a validator on the Ethereum blockchain, a user must stake 32 ETH. Randomized block creation. The approach removes competition from the equation, unlike PoW. Instead of competing to solve complex puzzles, PoS assigns the block creation randomly, ensuring a lower entry barrier for validators. Reward structure. Validators earn transaction fees and sometimes additional cryptocurrency as rewards for their participation in validating and confirming transactions. How does Proof of Stake work? The PoS mechanism reduces the need for computational resources traditionally required for transaction validation. Here's how it typically works. 1. Staking. Coin holders who wish to validate transactions must stake a set amount of cryptocurrency as collateral. 2. Validation process. Once a user has staked their coins, they are eligible to be randomly selected as a validator for the next block of transactions. 3. Consensus formation. Multiple validators review the transactions in the selected block. To finalize the block, a majority of validators must agree that the block's details are accurate. 4. Finalization. Once consensus is reached, the block is confirmed and added to the blockchain, and the validators are rewarded for their participation. Innovations in Proof of Stake. One of the significant evolutions in PoS technology is the introduction of staking pools and liquid staking. Initially, to become a validator, a user needed to meet the staking requirement independently. Now, users can join pools, where multiple participants combine their resources, lowering the barrier to entry and allowing more users to earn rewards without needing to stake a large amount of cryptocurrency. Differences between Proof of Stake and Proof of Work. Both PoW and PoS serve the fundamental purpose of securing blockchain networks, but they accomplish this through very different means. 1. Mechanism of validation. PoW, miners compete to solve cryptographic puzzles, consuming massive amounts of energy to verify transactions. PoS, validators are selected based on their stake in the network, reducing energy requirements significantly. 2. Resource intensity. PoW requires intensive computational power and energy, resulting in high operational costs and increased environmental concerns. PoS, minimal computational requirements make it more accessible and sustainable. 3. Incentive structure. PoW rewards miners with cryptocurrency for their problem-solving efforts, which encourages competition but can lead to centralization. PoS, validators earn rewards proportionate to their stake, minimizing direct competition and helping to decentralize the power among network participants. 4. Network security. PoW requires significant investment in hardware to maintain security, making it difficult for newcomers to enter. PoS structures compensation to lessen the incentives for attacks on the network, as validators risk losing their staked assets by acting maliciously. Challenges addressed by Proof of Stake. The shift to proof-of-stake aims to address several challenges inherent in the PoW model. Environmental impact. PoW's heavy reliance on energy-intensive computations has raised concerns regarding the environmental sustainability of blockchain technology. PoS minimizes energy consumption significantly. Centralization risks. PoW has been criticized for leading to centralization where only those with significant resources can effectively mine. PoS opens up accessibility to more participants, promoting decentralization. Network congestion. With less computational power required, PoS can help reduce the congestion issues observed in heavily utilized PoW networks. Conclusion. Proof-of-stake represents a revolutionary step forward in the evolution of blockchain technology. By providing a more energy-efficient, accessible, and secure method of validating transactions, PoS aims to enhance the scalability and sustainability of blockchain networks. As cryptocurrencies continue to evolve, mechanisms like PoS are likely to play a crucial role in shaping the future of decentralized finance and digital currency. With the shift toward sustainability becoming increasingly paramount in all industries, PoS addresses many of the pressing concerns surrounding the cryptocurrency world today.